bonds versus bond ETFs, which should you invest in? So bonds are like loans that you make to the government or a corporation, and then they pay you an interest rate at regular intervals, and then at the end of the bond, when it matures, you receive your principal back in full. So the advantages of bonds are they are very predictable. You can expect to receive interest payments at very regular intervals. The disadvantage is if interest rates go up, then the value of your bond goes down. So if you sell your bond before maturity, you're going to lose money on the face value of the bond. On the other hand, bond ETFs are like a basket of stocks that trade on an exchange. You also receive regular interest payments. However, because it's listed on an exchange, the bond ETF price will fluctuate every day. So the advantages of bond ETFs is that they're very liquid. So because they're listed on exchange, you can buy and sell them anytime you want. The other advantage you have is that you get instant diversification. So instead of locking yourself into one bond, you own a basket of many different bonds. So unlike a bond where you know you're going to receive your principal at the end of it, for bond ETFs, its prices will always fluctuate. So depending on interest rates at that point in time, you could make or lose money when you decide to sell your bond ETF. So which one is better? It really depends on what your investment goals are. If you want something that's more predictable, probably a bond is going to be better for you. However, if you prefer liquidity, diversification, and you don't mind price fluctuations, then I think a bond ETF might be up your alley.